Getting your Klarna statement is essential for tracking your spending and managing your payments. Here's how to obtain it. Open the Klarna app. Start by downloading and opening the Klarna app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your email and password. Access the account section. Once logged in, navigate to the Home or My Klarna section, where you can view your account details. Go to Payments. Click on the Payments or My Purchases tab. This section will show all your recent transactions and pending payments. Find the Statement option. Look for an option that says Statements, Billing or Activity. This will provide a detailed overview of your payment history. Download or view statements. Depending on the app version, you may have the option to download your statements as PDF files or view them directly in the app. This information includes transaction dates, amounts, and payment status. Email statements. If available, you can also request to receive your statements via email by adjusting your notification settings in the app.